Let's reproduce a use case here, as adding fields for collecting customer data from the contact information section of the checkout page. Choose the block checkout from the checkout mode selector. Ensure that you are using the block editor on the checkout page. Drag and drop the text field for collecting the customer name. Label the field as secondary name. Enable the required option to make the field mandatory. Add a select field to the checkout editor to make the customer choose an option from the drop-down. Add the drop-down options from the general options. Enter the label you need to add to each field as per your requirement. This will allow the customer to choose different drop-down options using Select Field. And then, add a checkbox field to check if the customer requires an additional service. Label the field as Local Pickup. This will allow the customer to choose their pickup point. And finally, you can save the changes of the fields by clicking the Save Changes button. Once navigating to the shop page, add a product to the cart and click on Proceed to Checkout button to view the checkout page. The new block checkout page appears, and the changes you have made will appear on the checkout page. Placement of the fields can be adjusted by drag and place method from UI of the block editor. You can also add the fields to the contact address section. This field will be displayed on the billing address fields section. Place a test order after filling the field values required. The fields added will be displayed on the Order Thank You page on the Additional Fields section. Once placing the order, navigate to the Backend Order page and to Order Details to view the field values you have entered. The arrangement of the fields can be changed at any time by the admin by easily dragging and placing the fields at desired position. Now it's time for you to try out by yourself. Thank you, and have a nice day.